Today we are going to make a cute mini notebook. For this I have taken 4 sheets of paper. You can use unrolled paper also. For the first step I am going to cut this paper. We will cut the paper according to the size we want for a notebook. Using the first part as a reference, I am going to divide the entire sheet into 4 different parts. If we look at it in total, we have 16 sheets of paper. Since each sheet gives us 4 pieces, there are 16 in total. Next, I am taking one sheet separately and folding it accordingly to the size we want for a notebook. Now I am using a pencil to mark a reference and using this folded sheet as a reference to cut all the papers in the same size. The extra paper that comes out while cutting is not needed for us, so you can keep it aside. Now I am cutting all the paper one by one. After finishing the cutting, the next thing we are going to do is fold all the papers. I am folding the sheets one by one to make sure that the paper is folded exactly in half. I have divided the sheets into 2. For the first part, I am drawing a tiny rectangle and using this rectangle as a reference, I am drawing a line on the other one. This part will act as an hinge so that we can connect the notebook. If you look closely, I am now cutting down the tiny rectangle piece. This part can be a bit tough, but it is easy once you get it. Similarly, I am going to open the other part of the paper like this and cut exactly till the marked point. We have come to the final step. We are now going to interlock these 2 parts. By doing so, we will get a very easy notebook with no glue or no tape involved. Our little notebook is now ready. We are now going to make a cover for a notebook. For making the cover, I am taking a pink color paper. I am folding the pink paper in half. Right now, I am placing the notebook in the middle and marking it with pencil for reference. Now let's fold along the marked lines. By folding them along the lines, we will get flaps, and these flaps will act as a pocket where we can insert our notebook. Once a notebook cover is done, let's take a front and last pages and insert them into the cover. By doing so, we have a cute notebook with a cover. Let's decorate the cover by drawing a little character. I'm using black marker to draw eyes. You can decorate them however you want. I have chosen a cute face to decorate the cover. You can use little hearts or draw a butterfly and whatever you want according to your preference. I am adding some dotted lines as an extra effect. This step is totally optional and you can skip it if you want. Our notebook is finally ready to use. If you want any similar videos, comment down below, and if you have any ideas, make sure to comment them too and I will try it out. Thank you for watching this video and see you all in the next one. Bye bye.